today I'm going to my office and I'm currently prepping my breakfast. I'm going to show you. This is my breakfast, so I made some toast with eggs and it's like avocado toast but without the avocado. And I put some cottage, a kind of cottage cheese. It's a goat cheese. And I put some fried eggs on top. So this sounds very good. I've got my coffee, of course, and I'm going to add some milk inside. So yeah, very simple breakfast. I'm going to enjoy it and I will see you later. Just to show you, underneath the egg, so I just sourdough bread toasted with some very mild goat cheese spreaded on top and the egg. It's very good. This is lunchtime. I got a warm meal today. I brought some ground beef patties and veggies. I got some cheese, but I'm going to show you. This is my lunch. As I said, I brought some ground beef patty. I reheated this morning and put in this thermos with all the veggies. And I put a lot of veggies, a ton of veggies. I don't know if I'm going to eat everything, but I will save this for later. And so I got the veggies, some carrots and some kabocha squash. I'm very happy I found this kabocha squash at the market on Sunday because I wanted to try it for a very long time. I got some lettuce, some mash, and I didn't forget my vinaigrette for once. So I got some vinaigrette to serve with the salad. I got some cheese, this is Comté, an orange for dessert, some bread, and I poured some water into my glass, and I have more water in this bottle. So yeah, no more talking, I'm going to eat because I'm very hungry because this smells very good and it's warm. So I will see you for coffee and after the lunch. I wanted to try to make some dio, which is a recipe from the southwest of France, the Savoy, which is near the Alps. And because I was there, I was in Chambéry last week, and I tried this dish, and I loved it. It was very, very good. So I'm going to try to recreate it, but I don't have all the ingredients. I don't have the wine, because you need some wine from Savoy, of course, but I don't have it. But it's okay. I'm going to try it today, and if it turns out that it's good, I'm going to buy the wine, and I will make it again. So for this recipe I have the dio. The dio are the sausages, and so these sausages are made with pork, and this one are smoked, and they are made with a lot of spices such as nutmeg, cloves, and also cinnamon, I think, and of course some salt and pepper. I got some bay leaves, some thyme. I got 2 onions because the dio are going to cook with the onions and the wine. And I got some butter too. So we are going to try it together, and we'll see if it's good.
Estava a viver, caminhando na vida, sempre chorando por uma nova ferida. Mas como até que de mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor.
sausages, I'm going to cook some potatoes for my son, and I'm going to prep some lettuce for me. So I'm going to wash it and prep it, and I'm going to prep vinaigrette too. I'm going to make it to make a lot of vinaigrette. This way I will have some for tomorrow and the other days. And I forgot to say that I'm going to spread some cheese, some Beaufort, which is the cheese from the mountains, the Alps, on top of the salad and onto the potatoes, and a warm cheese, so it will be melted, and it's very, very good this way. So now I'm just going to wash the salad and to prep everything. So this is our dinner with the dio, with the onions and the white wine. It smells very good. It's very strong, but it smells very good. And so I put some lettuce with the vinaigrette, and I added some carrots too, because it's just because I needed to use them up. We got some melted cheese. I melted it in the oven. So we are going to put it onto the potatoes for my son, and I'm going to put this onto my lettuce. I like putting some melted cheese on my lettuce when I have some raclette or this kind of dish. It's very good. And so we got some sourdough bread, some oranges for dessert. This is a strong Dijon mustard to go with the dio, but I'm not sure I'm going to add mustard. Maybe it's enough like this, I don't know, so we'll see. And this is some camembert, but I'm not sure I'm going to eat some camembert after the melted cheese. Yes. And this is some butter to go with the potatoes. So I will tell you if it turns out good, or if I failed. We'll see.